They have a Mom Said No YouTube channel.
That's such a good seat up there, I couldn't hardly make it backwards.
Well, I know. That's no
Put it
fun.
on Facebook. That'd be cool.
Huh?
Put it on Facebook.
The boys both like YouTube, and they wanted a little YouTube channel, so we put this stuff on YouTube on their channel. So it's Mom Said No.
Who said no?
No, that's what their channel's called. Mom Said No.
Oh.
So it's all about their rockets and building them and
Is that something we can watch? Can I watch it?
they don't have any videos on it yet.
Need a countdown.
They have the videos.
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was going to be on top of the ground.
Oh, there they go. There's the gliders.
I owe you.
No!
I do too.
Gavin, no!
I do. I owe you.
Hey, there you go, Charlie.
And I owe
Good job, guys.
Nice angle.
Good job. Get it. Good job, babies. Woo!
Well, Charlie gets to keep his ankles unbroken today.
Kaylee.
Nicholas, now!
Do we have recovery of all three?
Find the glider.
He's not allowed in the field.